For 20 years, we've typed to websites. Starting today, websites talk back. I'm John Collins with LeadX22, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting updates ever released inside of GoHighLevel Labs, the Voice AI Chat Widget. Now, this feature transforms your website from a static form into a live two-way conversation where visitors can simply talk and your AI answers. Let me give you a little bit of background and then we will jump into how to set it up. So here's what GoHighLevel announced in their labs briefing. The Voice AI Chat widget brings real-time browser-based voice conversations directly into your website. And you don't need a phone line for it. Visitors can now speak naturally with an AI agent. No outbound calls, no downloads, no friction. This technology moved from private beta to public labs after strong feedback from other agencies. And now it's available for everyone to enable, test, personalize. It's not just convenient, it's human. Voice builds connection. Connection builds trust. And trust converts faster than any button ever will. Consumers are done typing paragraphs into chat boxes. They want to speak, be heard, and get an instant response. And that's what this update delivers. It's a friction-free, voice-first experience that feels natural. Until now, you needed phone integrations or extra apps to make this possible. Now it all just happens right inside the browser, powered entirely by GoHighLevel. Let's build one together, following the official GoHighLevel support documentation step by step. We'll walk through four main areas: style and widget customization, a chat window, which has a title, intro, and additional options, messaging, which you can select the language, and the agent setup. Each area defines how your voice AI experience looks, feels, and performs. Okay, so let's get to the fun part, which is setting up our voice AI chatbot. So the first thing you're going to want to do if you're at your opening screen, go down on the left-hand side to settings and then scroll down on the left until you see labs. Click on labs. And then what you're looking for is this box right here that says Voice AI Chat Widget. If you don't see this and you're under an agency, get a hold of your agency and ask them to turn it on for you. Make sure that this is toggled on once you have it here in this area. So the next thing that you're going to do is click the Go Back button. And I want to interject a caveat here. You need to set up a Voice AI agent first so you have something to attach to your chatbot. If you don't, it won't let you create a chatbot. So for instance, if I just switch over to my chatbot here and I create new, it's going to bring up this box. Now, normally you would click on this Voice AI here because it would take you to the setup for the chatbot. In this case, you can click on it and it's not going to do anything. It's because I don't have a Voice AI agent set up in this account. And then if you go down here at the bottom, it's going to say set up your Voice AI to enable it. You click on that and it's going to take you to the Voice AI agent. So just save yourself some time, go right into the Voice AI agent, create yourself an agent, and then you'll be good to go. So I'm going to switch back over to my regular account because I don't have any Voice AI agents set up in this test account. So let's just switch right back over there, go to Chat Widget, and then as you can see, I already have one here, but I'm going to walk you through how to do it. Just a little heads up on this menu right here. It will show you what type of chatbot this is, and if you have an agent attached to it, it will show you which agent. So you have the ability to create multiple agents. All right, so click on New, and then this box will come up. That's the one we saw on the other screen. Click on Voice AI, and that's going to open up your chat widget box. Okay, once we're in the area to build your chatbot out, a lot of this, you're going to be familiar with it because it's the same layout that it was when you were just building a traditional chatbot, but they've added the agent section up here on the left. So we'll just run through some of these things. There's a couple things I'd like to highlight. If you go to the styles pull down, you have the opportunity to take the um, avatar picture off of this prompt right here. So you can take that off and you see she disappeared. You can choose the chat icon. And so I like the one here. It kind of signifies that it's a telephone call or a voice call. The theme, you can match it up to whatever your branding is. So feel free to change the colors. Right now, all you're seeing is this phone down here changing colors, but if I was to bring the whole box up, you would see that it would be changing the box also. You can change up your message. So let's drop that back down. Here's your message. Hi there, have a question. And you can add something in there like talk to us 24/7. And then they know that it's available. This enable custom greeting. You're really not going to use that because the voice agent is going to take care of that. So you can turn that off if you want. Your widget customization, you can change the photo attached to this avatar right here. You can upload your own if you want, or your the logo for your company. And then this is where you can position the widget on different areas of the website. Personally, I would leave it down here on the right-hand side because that is where people traditionally look for a chatbot. So I don't want them to think I don't have one or make them search my page. I just leave it here in the bottom right. Okay, so that's the two areas on the style. If we go to the chat window, that was that box we brought up before. You can personalize this any way you want. You can change this message up here and make it say what you want. You're not really going to use the contact form, and I'll tell you why. You're going to connect your voice AI agent, and the agent is going to have the ability to collect that information if you have that trained into the prompt for the voice AI agent. So I wouldn't select the contact form. Beyond that, you can have your agency branding. What this means is it will add this powered by and your display name to the bottom of this chat box right here. And then if they click on this, like my LeadX22, it will take them to my website. I don't turn on this because we don't have a form on here. Like I said, I don't turn that on my person. Messaging. So this is where you can actually select what language you want. Now you can use the location language, you can use the website language, or you can pick whatever language you want to put in here, and that's what will show up on the chat box. So if I change it, now it would be German. So I'm going to leave it for English, and then this is where you're actually going to attach your agent. So when you click on that, you're going to select the agent that you want to put in here. All right, now I already have Lexi on my other one, so I'm going to put Alex in here. And then you can just change the agent's name. That shows up here right below the picture. And so you also have the ability, I didn't tell you, but here on this Call Us button, you have the ability to change that as well. I believe that is, might be in there. Here it is right here. So call us. That's in this call us here box, and you can change that to say whatever you want as well. Okay, so once you have the voice agent set up using the one that you want, you can go ahead and save that, and that chat widget is now active. Now, to get it into your website or your funnel, you're going to go to one of your websites and click into your website to the main page and go to settings. In your settings box, there will be a chat widget option here, and you can pick whichever one you want. So this is the one that we just created. I have Lexi already set up on my website, so I'm going to leave her there. But then if you go to your website, you're going to see that it shows up exactly how we branded it down at the bottom. Here it is right here. You click on that and it brings it up here. And then all you do is click call us and
Hi,
no
you
phone.
have reached LeadX22. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'd like some information about what kind of services you offer.
LeadX22 offers a comprehensive AI-driven platform designed to help businesses capture every lead, close deals efficiently, and prevent revenue leaks.
So that's how it works, and it's really one of the coolest things I think that has come along. Um, Keeping up with the way that AI and voice AI is moving and being adopted into the industry. This isn't just a new feature, it's the start of conversational websites. In the near future, people won't type to websites, they'll talk to them. HighLevel made that future possible today. No phone lines, no downloads, just natural conversations that build trust. And for agencies, it's a game changer, a new engagement channel that's human, scalable, and automatic. So here's your next step. Go to settings, then click on labs, voice AI chat widget, enable it, and give your website a voice. Now, if you don't see voice AI chat widget in your sub account and you are under an agency, ask them to activate it. I'll provide links to the official GoHighLevel support docs in the description. You need help setting it up? Don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm John Collins with LeadX22, where AI gets real. Thanks for watching, and remember, the conversation has already changed. Now it's your turn to join in.